Hey friends, if the navigation pane is not showing up in the File Explorer on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure to fix this problem. Open the File Explorer, expand it, click on View, select Show, select Navigation pane, and the navigation pane will be visible here. So you don't need to go through options and all. This is how you can view the navigation pane. And again, if you don't want it, click on Show and uncheck the box. It is gone. If you want it back, Show navigation pane. So this is how it can be done. And if it still doesn't work, then obviously you can perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.